Hello, I'm Jim Christ. I'd like to welcome you to our Paoli Massacre YouTube channel. Our videos will include discussions about the Battle of Paoli that occurred on the night of September 20th, 1777, in what is now the borough of Malvern, Pennsylvania. There will also be coverage of our local events, such as walking tours, our Revolutionary Lecture Series, our paranormal tours, our Heritage Day, and our Wreaths Across America ceremony. Our mission is to remember Paoli. Please show your support by hitting the like button and staying up to date by hitting that subscribe button. Lastly, we also posted a link directly to our website in each of the video descriptions. Thank you.